All right, guys, I'm with Kuya Phil right now. We're gonna do a window shopping. We're going to Sacramento, and I think he's checking some bikes over there. Hi, Phil. Kaway ka naman. You know. Kasama ko si Kuya Phil. Ganda ng roof, oh. Naka-Tesla kami, guys. All right, guys, we're here at Specialty Power Sports right there, and all we have to do is find a parking spot and then check out the bikes. Let's go. Ayun, no? Si Phil, oh. Dito kami sa Power Sports. Pare, pakitingin tayo sa Power Sports, pare. Hindi, yun, pakita lang natin, no? Ayun, no? Alright, guys, we're just gonna check out some bikes. Hopefully, my friend here will take home one of them. Alright, guys, let's go. Yun, si Phil, oh. Ayan mga bikes sila. Yun, no? Let's go. Yun, no? Si Phil, oh. May nakita ng bike ko. Let's go. Diba? Bagay sa'yo, Brad. Maganda kulay, oh. Maganda kulay niya, Brad. Oh, there it is, pare. The Canem. That's why we're here. You know. Ganda siya. It's clean. Well, it's 2014. It's a 9-year-old motorcycle, so damn. I went to the restaurant and I saw this. I think this is a sign that I should get these Canem. Let's check it out. Anong ginagawa mo dyan?
Tumitingin lang.
Tumitingin lang? Nako, bagay na bagay ito. Dalawa ka, no? Pare, his and hers, pare. Ganda. Ang dami nilang jet ski rito. Alright, guys. This is it. We're still checking out the bike, so that's why I brought my good friend Phil. He can advise me something about this bike. Alright, let's check it out. It's pretty clean. What do you think, Phil? Malinis, ano? This was my bike before. Same color, but different year. We're gonna check out some more bikes back there. Back over there. Si Phil, nasa Harley. You know. Parang gusto mo ng Harley, no? Alright, so this Aprilius. I'm checking this out too. Full exhaust. The Vinci. Nice. All carbon fiber. But high mileage. 11,640 mileage. 10 grand. And you have this stealth mirrors too that you can fold as aerodynamic winglet. Right there. Saw this Street Fighter right here, 2015. It looks old in person. And this is the Hypermotor 2 that I was looking, 2020 Hypermotor right here. Let's check out the rear of these bikes. Look at that, Hypermotard. Ooh, look at this. Expensive though. This was the first bike that I saw here. That's why I came here before. Still here. It has 20,000 miles. That's why they can't sell it. But it looks badass, man. Single swing arm, shorty pipes. Nice color orange. Wow, nice, man. But I don't know, 20,000 miles. He's sitting on 2018 Honda CBR 1000 RR. Only has 2,000 miles. All black. Well, you see red and some chrome color, but wow. All right, he's checking out the 2017 R1M Yamaha. Right here. Pare, bagay sa'yo. Pero mahal eh. Damn, I like this one, but it is sold right here. Nice. Look at that single swing arm, man. Look at that shit. Holding suspension. Shorty exhaust. So we tried to start it because I want to hear the exhaust, but it needs to be charged. Battery's drained. So we're still waiting. This is the beauty of Sacramento here. We're here in downtown. So we're turning left, but there's train. And Kuya here chillaxing. Alright, stop. So I guess we're gonna stop. Look at that train. Alright, so we're heading to a Superbike showroom because our window shopping is done from Specialty Power Sports. Now, like 20 miles away from Specialty Power Sports, the Superbike showroom. Let's check out the bikes here, kuya, ha?
Sige, sige.
Yes, sir. Alright guys, approaching Superbike showroom. So it's quite a bit a long drive, 20 miles away from the Specialty Power Sports. So right here, you can see the Superbike showroom right there. I'll show you guys. Right there. There you go. Alright, we're gonna check out the bikes here at Superbike showroom. We're gonna check out some bikes again. With Kuya Phil, of course. It's our day off. Hi, Kuya Phil. Kuya Phil approaching to that door. He's gonna open it. There you go. More bikes, guys. More bikes. Kuya Phil, he's been looking for Harleys. I think that's him. Harleys for him. Enjoy, Kuya. ZX-10R with stock pipe and Triumph. Single swing arm again. God damn. This is Jao Moto's bike right here. It has 966 miles. Out the door is 20 grand. V4S 2018. Single swing arm. Another V4S. Behind the other V4S. Right here. Wow. Nice. So gusto ni Kuya Phil, oh. Yun. Magkano to? 10,000 out the door, 2021. Iron 883. Indian. Si Kuya Phil. Ito daw gusto niya. Yan, oh. Pucha, yan ba yung nakita natin kanina? Ayan, tigisa tayo, Brad, ano? Naman, but where do I park this one? What is this?
Yeah, maganda.
Damn.
33,000.
33,000. Wow. 33 grand, fellas. Wow, look at that. Damn. I want one, but I don't know where to park it. So it says here $30,000, $33,000. Wow. Look at that, man. I see this right here. I see you. Okay. Better than the other one. 16 out the door. Come on, man. Damn. It's a lot. Nope. I can't afford it. Not for me. I like it, but expensive. Damn, me and my wife's gonna enjoy this one. Finished na. Gusto ni, ni Kuya Phil, oh. Indian. Ganda ka naman kasi. Ganda naman siya.
Wala pang presyo.
Sa kanya yan. Ito sa akin. Para masakay kay misis ko. Kasi merong puan sa likod yun.
Wala pang presyo.
Livewire RCU. What do you think, guys? Electric. Livewire. Harley Davidson. So it is a 2020 Harley Davidson Livewire. 17 out the door. Well, plus tax. Right. What do you think about electric, guys? How many miles? 70 miles. Wow. This is the rear part of the electric bike. Harley Davidson Livewire. 70 miles. I sat on it. It's comfortable. So what do you think, guys? Maybe the battery pack is right there. But it's electric. I think that's the sound. Guys, we're sad. We didn't bring home any bikes today. Maybe next time. Yeah, it didn't work. There's a lot of flaws. We don't like it. They charge us a lot, so no. We said no. Anyway, because of COVID, maybe. So, thank you for watching, guys. Bye. Bye na, Kuya Phil.
Bye.